Right, welcome back to the effort. Now, time for the recipe challenge, and tonight's competitor is comedian Ben Miller. Excited?
Very
Ready?
excited.
What are you making?
Psyched, even.
Psyched?
Yeah.
I'm nervous. What are you making?
Victoria sponge.
Oh,
the reason I chose the sponge is I thought it might be your weak point.
It is my weak point. Very clever.
This is an old family recipe that actually came from my wife's grandmother.
Here's the good news, yeah? All our blind tasters are from the WI, yeah?
They're going to love my old-fashioned sponge.
Right, Ben's making a traditional Victoria sponge, which is a fucking worry. I'm going to do a Swiss roll. I'm going to use fresh vanilla seeds, eggs, sugar, whisk them up, fold in the flour, bake it, roll it, line it with some jam, a little bit of creme de framboise, and then mash some fresh raspberries in there and win. What's in there?
I've got all my stuff.
You are such a pro.
I'm not leaving anything to chance as well, as I thought you were going to stitch me up. You're going to give me some shit equipment or something.
Yeah. Ben.
As you can see, quite lightweight, anodised, very good at heat
mixer.
Go ahead, mixer.
Look at you.
Yeah.
And my oven's good enough for you?
No. I have been testing them.
Is that your...
That's my thermometer.
Honestly, that's your thermometer.
It was 5 degrees out. That's reading 150, this is 155. So preparation is everything.
You're weighing your eggs now as well. Yeah. Look at you. You're such a boffin.
You're right, I am a scientist. And I think this is also why I thought a baking might be to my strength. Whatever the weight of the eggs is, I use exactly the same weight of flour, caster sugar, and butter.
So you're using an essence. Smell that. Fresh vanilla, Madagascar.
Fantastic. No, I have cooked with vanilla pods, but I think...
Next tip, why not?
Well, I find them a little bit sticky, and I think they can nucleate the... your sponge.
You sound like fucking Heston Blumenthal. Nucleate my sponge.
Yeah, exactly.
Holy crap.
Nucleating particles are particles that cause anisotropy in a fluid. So, say, for example, if you want to make a crystal...
Oh, shit, are you still here? Oh, fuck,
It's like a child in the classroom.
How much have you been practising?
A couple of evenings this week, just working on this one recipe.
You know how competitive I am?
Yeah.
You know that, yes? Yeah?
Yeah.
I clearly hope you seriously fuck
My
this
hand
up.
is shaking. Look at my hand.
I'm watching you now. It's extraordinary
Like
from a talented comedian struggling over a fucking sponge. Ben, get a grip, man.
I really want to win, man.
My electricity, you OK with that, yes?
Yeah.
OK, good.
It's just regulation, 240 volts, 13 amp, yeah.
Let's whisk away, shall we?
Yeah.
Whole eggs in, vanilla pod in there as well, and sugar in. I'm going to whisk it up into a really nice, light, creamy texture.
Now creaming up the butter and the caster sugar. I want to get it almost white.
So what did you do before you got into comedy?
I was a physicist.
Oh, no wonder you're so meticulous to weigh everything out.
Yeah,
now
absolutely.
I am fucked. Where did you read?
At Cambridge. And I stayed on, I did a PhD there as well.
Oh, wow.
In fact, recently, there's a lot happening in physics. Because they're building this particle accelerator in CERN in Switzerland. Have you heard about this? It's an amazing experiment. It's like a 27-kilometre track that they fire particles around, collide them into one another, and they're going to recreate the Big Bang. They're looking for something called the Higgs particle, which they also call the God particle, which they think...
Now, Ben, seriously, have you got any jokes? I'm a chef.
You're still creaming? Fuck it, I'm going to cream some more.
It's the fresh vanilla.
Causing you problems.
Right, I've got mine to a really nice, thick sabayon now, OK? And that is light and aerated with the vanilla running through. I'm going to fold in the flour, and then I'm going to be ready for the oven.
I cream the butter and sugar together, then I add in my eggs, and the eggs have got a bit of vanilla essence I'm using, rather than the, I think, possibly nucleating vanilla pods. I'm just folding in this flour, trying to do as little mixing as possible at this last stage.
So Ben's using classic cake tins. I'm using a tray because I'm going to turn this into the most amazing Swiss roll. It's going to come out of the oven. I'm going to line it with jam, almonds, crushed raspberries.
I'm good to go.
Are you good to go?
Yeah.
Thank God for that. So both sponges are in the oven. Yes, we come back, and then Ben loses. I've crushed my raspberries with some cream, fresh vanilla, lined the sponge with a little bit of flaked toasted almonds, and look at that. Who needs a fucking tin, Delia?
Must say, very pleased with the texture.
There, my son, we have a lark. Ah, fucking hell, look at that.
However...
I'm getting in a position to nucleate Mr. Miller. What are you putting in the middle of yours?
I'll go for jam. I've got a nice cream here with a little bit of vanilla and a little bit of sugar.
Dust mine with ice and sugar. I like to do this little comparison. Ben, yours does look rather delicious.
Yours looks fantastic too.
Josie, off you go. Good luck. Yes?
Good luck, yeah.
It looks lovely.
Fabulous. Thank you.
Come back with the good news.
Excellent.
Obviously, there's only one winner. Fuck off.
Hello, ladies. The first plate.
You think, quite a surprise. It's a little
Very pink.
bright for my liking, yes.
There are some aftertones with that.
Okay. Do the squeeze test.
That looks nice and soft.
Yeah. Nice cream.
That's the one I'd finished.
Excellent. This is my favourite bit. I find out I've won. Right, Jose, let's go. Give me the results. Now, did they enjoy them both? Obviously not.
They did. It was very close, actually.
Very close.
Very close.
What? Come on then.
It was actually Ben.
Oh, get out! Oh, fuck off with you! Get out here, you Belgium little fucking gremlin! What do you mean? What's the score?
4-1.
Oh, get out! Are they
that's
all Delia Smith's sisters? What do they say?
Well, they actually like the flavour of the Swiss roll.
Yeah.
But more the classicness of the cake.
It
Went
took
with the
2
classic.
hours in the fucking oven. 4-1.
4-1.
Oh, I've got a present for you. I'm really sorry, but read that. Please follow instructions carefully.
I will.
Unbelievable. Ben,
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Promise you won't come back.
enjoyed it.
Look at you, you're back like a fucking gas man. You nucleating fucker.